Hello, this is a Origami Swan tutorial. First, you grab a square piece of origami paper, then you fold it in half. Then you unfold it because it's not cool enough to stay folded, and then you fold both the corners to the middle crease. Now you have to flip it over and let it think about its life choices. Then fold those corners to the middle crease. You want to fold the bottom of it to the top to make the neck. You want to take the top of the neck and fold it down to make the head. Then you want to fold all of that in half using the crease you made earlier. Then pull the neck up. You've completed it. Good job. Thanks for watching. Bye.